Your son's a mess. Not gonna happen.
Hey, Elijah. Hey, Lulu. What? You don't want to talk? You don't want to talk? It's like, not in the mood. Meh. Oh, Elijah.
It helps people with COPD breathe better for a full 24 hours. Anoro Ellipta is the first FDA-approved product containing 2 long-acting bronchodilators in one inhaler.
That's all you get from him.
Yeah.
Like a little quiet.
Yeah. Bella used to be more talkative. She seems to be quieter lately. It's because she got fixed?
I don't know. She says you're all around. Is it treat time? Or what?
What, Belle? You little ginger baby, you.
Chest pain, swelling of your mouth or tongue, problems urinating or eye problems, including vision changes or eye pain while taking Anoro. Nothing can reverse COPD. The world is filled with air, and Anoro.
You curious? Are you the curious cat?
Get your first prescription free at Anoro.com.
She the curious kitty. Bella. Bella boo boo. Yeah. Yes, good girl. Good girl. So pretty. Such a pretty girl. Such a pretty girl. She the cutest. Is she pretty? Yes, she pretty. Oh, she turns away. She doesn't want to be filmed. She's like, I'm not done with my makeup on. She keeps turning her head away, but she wants to be pet. Oh, Bella. Alright, you've had enough of me?